We will be replacing these side plastic pieces. As you know from the sun will wear out the paint, the coating. So that's why we must replace this. Look here, this is very bad. It's not good. Does not look nice. Okay, so now we will replace this one. So that way, it will look like this one, brand new. Okay, so what we need here is this piece here. This piece. Oh shit. How beautiful this is. Oh my god, sexy, sexy. Oh my goodness. Now look over here. This is the part number. Itong part number, okay? The part number. Okay, for this project, you will need the pliers. You see the pliers or channel locks, yes. So what we're gonna do now is we have to remove that one. It's garbage, so we have to just rip it off. So I'm gonna now, oh shit! Did I just break? I just kidding, that's the old one. It's over here, see? So what you need to do now, you need to grab your channel lock, okay? Grab your pliers. You will then connect this over here, okay? You have to be very careful. You do not do this to your windshield or your rear glass because you're stupid. So you take it from here, okay? Okay, tight grip. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. You like that? You like that? I'm master. I am the master. Master, okay? Okay, now you see this is all done. Completely off. Like off. You see that? Wow, very easy, okay? Now, you have to be very careful before you apply the new one. Okay, because over here you have pieces of the plastic that broke off. Okay, so you peel it off and you inspect. You have to inspect the inspector gadget. Okay, if you do not, then you have problems. You do not want no problems. Okay, look. What's this? Ano yun? Shh. Okay, then you take that, you take it out. And then you inspect, you make sure everything's okay, it's clean. You know, I might just take a rag and get the dust out here because look, we had, see the dust? Because we had paint correction. Look, mirror. Look, you look beautiful, Oh my goodness. You want to see beautiful? Let me show you the hood. I show you the hood because the hood is like a mirror. You know what a mirror is to see reflection. Okay, hold on, look. Okay. Look at the fender. Wow. Look at the light. You see the light? That's the light over there. It's not the light over here. Look over here. Look. You can see my roof. The roof of my garage. Look. Wow. Paint correction. Don't waste money on these products. It's stupid, okay? You waste your money. You have no money. You have no girls. It's stupid. Okay? So that's why you need to get paint correction. You see, very no swirl. Okay. Now you must take this piece here and you must align, okay? You see there's the tabs there. You see the tabs? They slide in over here. You see, look. You see a tab? You see that? It slides underneath that. Okay, so what you want to do, you have to be very careful. What is this? Holy shit, I think I broke this. I'll just bend this. Oh, there you go. It's not broken, little baby. Okay. So when you pull, make sure you pull down directly. Don't pull up because you do this. It's stupid. Now, you be careful when you put this in, okay? Because look, you see it slides in there, but you just don't want to put all the way in. You have to go down one notch, okay? You go down one notch and then you just slide up. You see, look, slide up. And it will lock in place because of the slides. See? You see that? You see this? You see this right here? It slides. So obviously you cannot put on top immediately and no. You go down about a half inch and you push down and you slide up. Okay?